Hi, my name is Natalie Jordan, and in this video, we're going to be going over Google Forms Part 2. So for Google Forms, it's really nice because you're able to go back and quickly look at student responses. So you can look under my responses and see that it's currently only my email because I wanted to keep everything private. So I went ahead and deleted my old responses. I saved them first. So you can see I have names, and then you can go ahead and look at the questions as well. I don't like to do this overall summary as much because I like to look at my individual student responses. So student A, I know they did this twice, so I want to be able to see all of their information at once. To be able to do this, I need to go ahead and make a Google spreadsheet. And then we're going to go ahead and add a slicer to this. So we'll add our slicer. We want to go ahead and do name. And then I just want to look at student A. So I'm going to unclick the other students, hit OK. And then I'm able to just look at student A, see if they're answering the same thing frequently or if their answers are kind of inconsistent. So I can see that there are some questions where they did answer the same, but most of them, they were kind of just maybe guessing or they aren't really sure about this dollar upskill. So it's something that I would definitely want to work on them more individually. So this is a really cool thing about Google Sheets, and I'll go ahead and I'll have another tutorial that's more involved from somebody else because I'm also getting used to using slicers and filters myself. So I'll have a tutorial in our Google slideshow for you on that, as well as a link to some other resources. Thank you so much for checking this out. And if you have any questions, please email me at njordan@hbuhsd.edu. Thank you.